Hello, my name is Ricky. I'm a psychologist and I work here in We.Care. And today we are going to talk more about anxiety and how anxiety manifests. As I've mentioned before, there are different types of anxiety, but there are some common ways that you feel when you have anxiety, and I want to mention some of them. What most people with anxiety have in common is that they worry a lot, so they spend a lot of time in their head, thinking, worrying, wondering, planning. They also are very aware of their inner emotions and experiences and how they feel all the time. They also have a tendency to avoid specific things, and here is it, of course, the things that they fear or feel anxious about. So they want to avoid big crowds if they suffer from social anxiety, for instance. The symptoms of anxiety are, of course, different depending on what type of anxiety that you have and suffer from. But there are still some common symptoms that people with anxiety share. We can categorize them into 4 different categories. We have feelings, we have thoughts, we have body sensations, and we have behavior. Some of the common emotions and feelings that you have when you are anxious is that you feel fear, of course, you feel nervousness, you feel perhaps a sense of embarrassment if somebody notices that you are really scared, for instance, and so on. Some of the physiological symptoms and body sensations that you can feel is that you get really hot, that you feel that you blush, or your hands tremble, or that you start to shake like in your body, or you feel that everybody is able to see it and notice all these physical symptoms that you feel, but oftentimes nobody is able to see it. Some of the common thought patterns is that your thoughts and your worries are very future-oriented. Also, that you are very focused on bodily sensations. Some of the common behavior is that you're trying to distract yourself and numbing your fear and anxiety. And that can be done with TV, social media, going online, shopping, with alcohol, and so on. So oftentimes we try to numb it or distract ourselves from these uncomfortable feelings and situations. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video and that you've gained a deeper understanding of how anxiety can feel and some of the symptoms. If you are suffering at the moment and going through something difficult, I really encourage you to speak up. Thank you for watching.